Hey guys, welcome to a new AJ video. It's Kaylee AJ here, and we are going to play Animal Jam again, and that's gonna be, Okay, I will let you see my username, but not my password. Emerald0613, and that is, I am actually Kaylee AJ if you didn't know, so I swapped accounts. And now, no, I can't call that anymore. So, yeah, and I'm going to do the rest of recording. Okay. I'm going to pause it, and then I'm actually in Red Roll right now. I'll pause it right away. Hey, guys, and, what am I saying? Okay, I'm back.
就是以前那个这个叫什么？这边有一个 Jumbo College， 这边后门出来在这里。
Oh my gosh! Did he? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh wait, I'll tell my mom to stop saying. Okay. Say I if you want red hat locket. Oh my gosh! 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 Should I get an Artic or no? I am excited, guys. You don't know how excited I am. Oh my gosh. Unless you already, Okay. It's nearly been. Oh my gosh. I don't know what to choose. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Cheetah? Should I get a cheetah? You are a cheetah. Yeah. Because you are a cheetah. I don't think I want the Artic wolf. Sorry, wait a second. Oh my gosh. Wait. Okay. I don't know what to choose, and should I get a snow leopard? Oh my gosh, I don't know what to choose. Oh my gosh. Wait. I'm gonna tell my dad something. Okay, I just told him a llama because he works with llamas, so not like actually llamas. Yeah, llamas. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I did that. Oh my gosh, I have enough gems to do anything I want. MG. IDK, what animal I should get? Remember left. I don't know what animal I should get. Owl. I already. I don't know. I'm going to discuss this with my thing. I'll be back with my animal, I think.
这破完的都卖22万9。
Sorry, my mouth talked again. She can't zip her mouth up. So seriously, I'm really angry that she keeps on talking in my videos. Her voice is like nearly in every single video of my channels. Okay. Hey! Sorry. Oh, my mom. She is talking every day. She gotta keep her mouth open. close for 1 second. Mythical. I like that name. Mythical Artic Wolf. Mythical Artic Wolf. Mythical Happy Wolf. No. Mythical Icy Wolf. No. Actually, I won't do Mythical Artic. With A. I will do A. Mythical Snowy. Alien Artic Wolf. Oh wait, I'll go from the other way. Oh my gosh, my mum. Oh, and my dad's here as well. My next video will be me with my friend in Auckland. Oh, we're in thing right now in a different place. Mythical Artic Wolf. No, I don't want to do mythical. Mythical Artic Paw. Yeah, Mythical Artic Paw. I like that name. And oh my gosh, I'm so oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I actually bought an Artic Wolf. Then I'm gonna save up my 9 weeks of diamonds for whatchamacallit? Okay, I don't care. Okay, wait a second. Okay, back. Why? Is it that colour? No. Oh wait, I like that kind of colour. Wait, that. No. Let me get rid of those creepy eyes. Yeah, my dad was just My friend gave that to me, and please go and try and buddy. Not like buddy. No. Nope. No. That might be good. Light blue. I'll try that. Let me try. I love that. I love that color. Okay. Now let me dress up this little wolf here. Nah. Tiara, no. Oh my gosh, I'm just so happy. You don't know how happy I am. Oh my gosh, I'm happy. I'm happy. Okay, let me give it a different kind. Wait, I'll try from bottom to the top. Head. Try that. No, that. No, that. No, that. Oh, I better make this decision quick. Oh yeah, I like that. I will pause it till I get my look, okay? And pause. Okay, I have completed my look, and this is my finishing touch. I got my Artic Wolf. Yay! Mythical Artic Wolf. I love my Artic Wolf. I'm gonna use it a lot now. Remember to subscribe. Okay, I'm gonna end my video. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment down below feel free to comment down below whatever you want. And I'll see you in my next video, which is going to be with my friend or something. Okay. So yeah, remember to subscribe and like and comment. Bye!